Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Is your coffee station a chaotic mess? You need this. Seriously, check out this amazing coffee pod organizer tray 60 capacity. This thing is a game changer for anyone who loves their coffee pods but hates the clutter. Tired of those flimsy plastic bins? This one has a super sturdy metal frame that feels really solid. It's a vertical tiered design, so it actually saves you counter space. Imagine all those pods neatly tucked away, and you still have room for other things underneath. It's perfect for small apartments or if you're just trying to keep things super organized. This isn't just about storage, it's about efficiency. The pull-out drawer glides so smoothly, you can actually see all your different flavors at a glance. No more digging around trying to find your favorite blend when you're half asleep. The open mesh layout means no dust bunnies on your precious pods, and retrieving them is a breeze. It holds a ton, up to 60 pods, so you're always stocked. Plus, the top has this cool textured grip, so whatever you place on top isn't going to slide off, and it protects your counter from scratches. It's a simple but genius design that makes a huge difference. So many people have already grabbed this, and the reviews are fantastic. If you're looking to upgrade your coffee routine and get a seriously tidy countertop, you absolutely have to try this. Your mornings will thank you. If this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.